here devotes a lot of time in their morning routines to fix the hair. We're guessing not everyone. We'd all rather leave our houses earlier and spend more time on the road to beat rush hour traffic. Well, today is our lucky day. We stumbled upon this K-style hair tutorial and were so impressed with how easy it was. The Chinese beauty guru bèi'êr simply shared how to achieve Korean goddess-like hair. Without further ado, let's get into it. Her tutorial is quite different from the 36mm tutorial I shared before. If you are interested in learning how to achieve Korean wave hair, we have a pretty detailed video that might be helpful for you. First thing, get yourself a 40mm curling iron. We'll start from the bottom layer and follow the steps that she's showing. Just simply buckle the roll at the bottom and then back up. Did you see that? That is the effect of rolling it down there. For the second floor, the second layer of your hair, simply roll it inside out. Then count for 3 seconds. One more time. Roll it 1, 2, 3, and re-roll. Keep curling until all of your hair is curled. Roll it 1, 2, 3, and re-roll. Moving forward to the top layer, just rub it in the same way I taught you before. Curl your hair up, then the bangs can be pushed forward a little. So there you have it. A super simple Korean hair tutorial.